Hey y'all, welcome back to Tidywittoya. This your girl Toya here with a kitchen restock of my produce. If you are new here, make sure you like and subscribe and hit me up in the comments and let me know you're here watching. If you're a returner, welcome back. I certainly hope you all enjoy this produce restock, produce cleaning, and kind of refrigerator refresh here today.
Out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep into this.
So to clean my produce, I am using just vinegar and water, and then I'm also taking the scrapings from the vegetables that I am cutting up and scraping off to use to make a vegetable stock. And you'll see me putting those scraps into a reusable Ziploc bag, and I'll be making vegetable stock at some point with those scraps from the vegetables.
Telling you that I need you.
Now you're going to see me get my refrigerator together before I start putting this produce in here. So I'm kind of getting rid of stuff, dumping things out, moving things around before I start putting the produce in so that there is actual space for the produce.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking.
So just in case anyone is curious, all of this produce that I got it from the city market, which is an outdoor market for different vendors to sell vegetables. There's fresh flowers. There are jams and honey and homemade soap and popcorn and just a bunch of just different options from local vendors here in my area. And I am chopping things up and putting the berries and the vegetables in mason jars with a little water for the veggies. The fruit, we won't have any issues eating those pretty quickly. So you'll see me kind of starting that process here.
Can't go, one more, one more, one more, one more, one more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day. Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff.
So these are all the fruits that I got. I got some grapes. I also got some tomatoes. I got some grapefruits, and then I also got some strawberries.
I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, babe.
This is what the water looks like after cleaning all of those veggies. Pretty disgusting. Glad that I put those in there and let those soak.
Pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb.
Now I'm switching over to the green vegetables and creating the water for those. So I actually had Brussels sprouts in my refrigerator that I needed to clean and soak. And then I have some spring mix. And then I also have some spinach. But I think I'm going to do the spinach after I soak the spring mix and the Brussels sprouts.
Sorry, that you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. And don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late for I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up. disagree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special.
This is the finished product of all of the produce being washed and cleaned and prepped before we transfer everything into the refrigerator.
And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love.
I would like to thank you all again for tuning in. Please be sure you like, subscribe, and hit me up in the comments. Remember, keep it tidy.